Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Serenade of the Seas. We're here in the Safari Club. This is at the aft end of the ship. Check this out. This venue is really nice. It's at the back end of the ship. They don't use it for much, which is really surprising because it is such a nice place. I mean, the nice, rich, dark woods. They have this dance floor area, but yet it's really not used that often. Makes me wonder why. But here it is. It's beautiful. It's a really nice place. Check this out. Big, beautiful stage, but hardly ever used. They also have two bars. Here's the second one over here. We started over at one bar. Something unique here is these gyro-stabilized tables. These billiard tables are gyro-stabilized, so your game of pool is never interrupted, even in rough seas. Up ahead here is the Schooner Bar. Schooner Bar is home to many different events. Very famous for the trivia here at the Schooner Bar. Over on the left side we have Giovanni's table. Of course, a bar, so never far away from your favorite beverage. And also, Shops Grille, with a steakhouse. There it is, Shops Grille. Alright, we're heading toward the front of the ship on the starboard side. This is the entrance to the Schooner Bar area. Up ahead on our right is Vintages. Vintages is a wine bar. Great place to hang out. Get some cooling drinks. You can look down here into the Centrum. This is the Centrum. And it goes all the way up there. Yeah, check that out. We'll now enter into Casino Royale. The casino is closed at the moment, which allows us to film in here. Lots of places to make your donation, whether it be at the one-armed bandits, the slot machines, or the many tables they have here. They got this lady standing here. She's been standing here for a long time. Surprised no one's taken her home yet. Why not? Maybe you should take her home. Alright. We'll keep heading forward on the ship. And what do we find? I know we could find. We could find an English pub. Yeah. And complete with a game of darts. You can actually play darts on a cruise ship. Is that cool or what? But yeah, this is the Crown and Castle. This is an English pub. What a nice place to get a drink. Hang out. They have live entertainment here every night. And what else they have? They have a cinema. They actually play movies here. I don't know if there's anything going on right now. Let's take a peek. There are no movies playing at the moment, but you get to see it. The cinema. They're not showing anything on the marquee of what's coming up. And of course, here's the main theater, the Tropical Theater. It's closed right now, so we can't go in there. But that's where it is. Let's head down a level. And here's the other entrance to the theater. Yes, the theater is actually 2 levels, on deck 5 and deck 6. Let's take a detour, go outside. Alright. Well, there's a tender of it's coming or going. Those are our fellow guests right there. Yeah, there's no dock in Grand Cayman, so we have to tender to and from shore. But it's a beautiful day with a great breeze, so it doesn't feel as bad as it really is. Yes, the humidity is way, way up, by 100%. But yeah, check this out. You can go up to the Helipad on the Serenade of the Seas. Of a lot of ships you can't come up here. But if you're on a Serenade, take advantage of it. Go up to the Helipad. Great views. And where else in the world can you get a view like this? Look at the bridge. Amazing. Alright. Got the Celebrity Beyond over here on the starboard side. Hello, Captain Kate. Hello. And there's me, just in case you forgot what I look like. Look at that beautiful blue water. Just amazing. Alright, let's head back inside. This is the art and photo gallery. Hello, dragon. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. The photos that the wonderful photographers have taken of you throughout the voyage. And up here, the shops, the stores. We're in port, so the stores are unfortunately closed right now. But I'll give you an idea of what everything is, what it looks like, and where they're at. So, got lots of different opportunities to spend your hard-earned cash. You got the general store, your souvenirs, You buy jewelry, buy alcohol. This little center kiosk, they have lots of sales here. Get some clearance goodies. Alright. We're over here at the Centrum again. You can see across the ways, this next cruise, where you can book, of course, your next cruise. Up here we have Latitudes. Kind of like a Starbucks coffee bar. Get some beverages. Hello. And here's next cruise. Alright, what else we got here? We got Reflections, the main dining room. Take a look. What's inside? The Reflections main dining room. It's a beautiful split level, open air dining room. I like how elegant these big dining rooms are. And this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's Serenade of the Seas. Hopefully you like this tour. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And hopefully I get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.